Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn about pronouns. We will learn its definition and its types. We will also understand each type with the help of examples. First of all, let's learn about its definition. Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns in a sentence. Next, types of pronouns. Pronouns are basically divided into 8 types. The first type of pronoun is personal pronouns. It is further subdivided into 2 types. First is subject pronouns. Second one is object pronouns. First, let's learn about subject pronouns. These are used as the subject of a sentence. Examples are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Let's frame sentences using this subject pronouns. First sentence is, she is going to the store. Second sentence is, we have finished our homework. Next type of personal pronoun is object pronouns. These pronouns are used as the object of a verb or preposition. Examples: me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Let's frame some sentences using these object pronouns. First sentence is, the teacher called him. Next sentence is, can you pass it to me? The next type of pronoun in our list is possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns usually indicate ownership or possession. Examples: mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs, etc. Let's understand this with the help of some examples. First example is, that book is mine. That means I am in possession of the book. Next example is this pen yours? The next type of pronoun is reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence. For example, myself, yourself, himself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves, etc. Let's understand this with the help of some examples. Example number 1. She made the cake herself. In this sentence, herself is the reflexive pronoun. Example number 2. They found themselves in a difficult situation. Here, themselves is the reflexive pronoun. Next type of pronoun is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns point to specific things. For example, this, that, these, those, etc. Let's understand this with the help of some examples. Look at this sentence. This is my favorite song. In this sentence, this is the demonstrative pronoun. Next sentence is, those are the books I was talking about. So here, those is the demonstrative pronoun. Next type of pronoun is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. For example, who, whom, whose, which, what, etc. Now, let's form some sentences using these interrogative pronouns. Sentence number 1. Who is coming to the party? Here, who is the interrogative pronoun. Example number 2. Which one do you prefer? Here, which is the interrogative pronoun. Next type of pronoun is relative pronouns. Relative pronouns introduce a relative clause and relate it to the rest of the sentence. For example, who, whom, whose, which, that, etc. Let's understand this with the help of some examples. Example number 1. The girl who won the race is my sister. Here, who is the relative pronoun. Example number 2. This is the book that I was telling you about. Here, that is the relative pronoun. The next type of pronoun is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronouns refer to non-specific people or things. For example, anyone, everyone, someone, nobody, each, few, many, all, some, etc. Now, let's understand this with the help of some examples. Example number 1. Someone left their bag here. Here, someone is the indefinite pronoun. Next example is few have tired and fewer have succeeded. Here, few is the indefinite pronoun. The last type of pronoun is reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns used to indicate a mutual relationship or action. For example, each other, one another, etc. Let's understand this with the help of examples. Example number 1. They helped each other with the project. Here, each other is the reciprocal pronoun. Next is, the students greeted one another warmly. Here, or in this sentence, one another is the reciprocal pronoun.